guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a new foundation. I got the new Fenty concealer, the Hydrating concealer, and then the new Huda Beauty Peach Pie powder, and I wanted to try them out and show you guys my thoughts and just kind of like just try them out. This will be my first impression. Yeah, I've been seeing this foundation on Instagram, on TikTok. It's like going viral, and I was like, you know what, let me try. But first I'm going to color correct just a little bit because my skin has just been a lot going on, so I'm just going to color correct. And for my color correction, I'm using the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. I really like this concealer. It's not a color corrector, but it's dark, so I use it to color correct. And I think I have the shade, what shade is this one? 57Y. Okay, so the foundation that I'm going to be talking about is the Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. This is what it looks like. And I got the shade 6W1, which is Ganache. I got 5W1 based on the description on the Sephora website, but then it was really light, and I was like, okay, so that will not work. And then I went to my local Kohl's to try to exchange, but apparently you can't exchange the foundation. I have to like ship it. So I was like, okay, I'll just pick up this new one. Like. And for comparison purpose, I'm going to show you guys what the 5W1, which is Sienna, what it looks like. So it's quite light, but looking at it from the camera, it doesn't look light anymore. So this is what 5W1 looks like, and it doesn't look bad. So this is Ganache, and it has a little bit of red, so I think I'll try the 5W1 to see, and then maybe mix a little bit of 6W1 just to be sure, because 6W1 now, looking at it from the camera, it looks really dark. So let's see. Yeah, one thing I'm going to say is the shade range is kind of like off, but then what do you expect? Alright, so I'm going to just put that on. It's very lightweight, like serum. It has this serum feeling, and then it is. So I see a lot of people on TikTok, like on Instagram, just kind of like putting on the foundation like this. I personally don't like putting my foundation like that, but it's very lightweight. The coverage is pretty good, like for just 2 pumps. Like, that's amazing, guys. It is. Wow, this is what it looks like with 2 pumps. I'm gonna add 1 pump, just 1 pump, because I like what I'm seeing, and I think I'm just gonna keep both shades. So one will be my winter shade and the other will be my summer shade. But 5W1 actually works for me, so if I might return, I don't know yet. I'll decide, but I might return the 6W1 Ganache because 5W1 actually looks good. Wow, guys, this is what the foundation looks like with just 3 pumps, and I love the coverage. So I feel like it's definitely medium to full coverage, more on the medium side, but yeah, you can definitely add more for that coverage, and it's not going to feel heavy because it actually, you know, it actually looks good. So yeah, I'm just making sure I'm blending it all over, and I really like this coverage. I really like the coverage. It feels like my skin. Alright, so for my concealer, I got the new Fenty Beauty concealer. It's called the We're Even Hydrating Longwear Concealer. I liked the original one she came out with, but like it wasn't really my favorite. It was a little too thick and just like, yeah, it was just a little too thick. So with the Fenty foundation, I used 420 for the pro filter, and then I used 430 for the hydrating one. So I got 400 for my concealer, and then I got 385W. So I got a neutral and a warm concealer. So 400 is a neutral. I feel like that would be really close to my skin, so I just got that one for days that I don't want to like have like really bright under eyes. And then I got 385 for, you know, the full beat, the, you know, the glam. This is what 400 N looks like, and then this is what 385W looks like, and then this is what 400 looks like. 400, 385W. So looking at it, it's pretty close, but we'll see. So 400 the top, and then the bottom is 385. So I'm gonna start with 400 first, just to kind of see how that looks, but I definitely know I would use 385. So yeah, 400 is like my perfect everyday shade. I can already tell. I really like the applicator, but I feel like you have to be very careful so it doesn't like break or come off. And then I'm just gonna put 385 like really close here, because I like that brightening effect, and I feel like I can actually go lighter, because I'm really digging that like really brightened effect now, but this is fine. So since this is hydrating, I'm going to pretty much contour first and then blend it out, just to kind of see if it's easy to blend or it's not. Oh, it's so easy to blend, guys. Wow, it's so easy. I love a good concealer, guys. Like, oh, it just makes life easy. Oh my god. You guys, this Fenty concealer is bomb. I can tell the coverage, it's easy to blend, it's hydrating. And you know, with the winter, like we definitely want like more hydrating stuff. We don't need anything dry under the eyes, just because the weather is so like dry already. So I'm really liking this. So I have the Huda Beauty Peach Pie powder. And I really wanted to try this because it has peach in it, so that would also help with like color correcting. And Huda Beauty has one of my favorite, hands down one of my favorite baking powder, and I love baking because I'm a little bit oily sometimes, so I love it so much. So I was like, you know what, I don't mind trying it. Alright, so this is what the peach pie palette look, no, what am I calling palette? This is what the peach pie powder looks like. I'm sure it's pretty light, but you know what, I don't care. Can't wait. Alright, I'm just gonna blend my under eye just a little bit more, just to prevent any creasing. And then I'm gonna use my damp sponge. One thing I would say is the scent is still there, but it's not as strong as before, which is good. Oh, I love this powder. Oh my god, I love this powder. So I'm gonna do my eyes and then I'll come back with my finished look. And so this is the final look. I really love how it came out. Like, the products that I used today, they were like 10 out of 10. I feel so, like, I don't know, really good, guys. So I have no complaints. I really like the Huda Beauty foundation, the powder, and I'm so glad like she reduced the scent, you know, because the scent was a lot, and I know a lot of people were complaining about that. The foundation is a 10 out of 10. The concealer, like, you know, it's hydrating, so you can actually leave it for a while to kind of give you that full coverage. It's not bad. I haven't slept, so I still have like my under eye stuff, but other than that, like, it's great, guys. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know down below what you would like to see or what you'd like me to try out next time. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.